Welcome to Coastal Escape, one of our large 5-bedroom homes that is a block and a half from the beach. You'll see how close we are here at the top level and in the kitchen. So here's our ground floor. We have a full bathroom that can accommodate the space designed for kids. We have bunk beds, a couch, dining area, relaxation that leads out right to the pool. So you can see we have an awesome poolscape out there. Leading into a next bedroom. This is a king-size bed with private access to the pool. It does have that shared bathroom with the other space that we already saw here on this ground floor. But there's our our pool deck. One of the best features about this property is it does have an elevator, so you can call that to get to any floor, as we do have 4 floors on this property. Going to the second level, leading to another king-size bed. Here is our master suite. So large amount of space with the deck, private patio, desk area, comfortable rocking chairs you can relax in at the end of the day, leading into the gorgeous bathroom suite that we have. So we have a jacuzzi tub for you, as well as a walk-in shower tiled out. And then of course the water closet. Laundry facilities are located here on the second floor. Here's the bathroom that is designed for these 2 bedrooms here. So we have a full bedroom in here. So you can see plenty of storage space with that large closet. Chair you can get ready in during the day, relaxing while you're reading. And here's a full-size bedroom as well. Again, plenty of storage space under the bed in the closet. Moving to our 3rd floor, here's our living space. So here's our living room space, open concept. Moving into our kitchen space, we have a small dining area here. You can get a look at the patio, and here is how close we are to the beach. If you can see it, again, you'll see it better on the top floor, but we are very close. This kitchen has absolutely everything you need. Fully stocked pantry right by the fridge. Anything you need to cook with. Great appliances, including a ice maker for those hot summer days when you're making your lemonade. A half bathroom to accommodate the dining area. So here's our full dining room. If you need to accommodate more people or want to get a little more fancy with your meal. And now this is an awesome feature. We have a pool table here you can relax and enjoy some time with. Throw on the TV, watch some sports. And moving to our final floor. So just a quiet little nook area, great for reading, enjoying. You can pop out on the top deck, enjoy that sunset, sunrise, get the ocean breeze. Great little relaxation area. We hope you enjoy your stay.